Fossil Rim Wildlife Center is a 1,700-acre wildlife conservation facility and was the first of its kind to be accredited by the Association of Zoos and Aquariums. Unlike other zoos and wildlife parks of our caliber, we receive no government subsidizing. We are a private nonprofit and fund our conservation programs with tourism. Every dollar spent here and every cent donated goes to the care and future of our animals. We're open 362 days a year. Almost 250,000 people visit Fossil Rim every year to experience endangered and exotic animals in an idyllic setting. As a wildlife center, guests are immersed in the habitats of large herds of animals. This provides a rare opportunity to observe a large number of species in normal social and behavioral group sizes in a dynamic and appropriate environment. Fossil Rim is a living classroom, not just for kids, but also for the inner child that Fossil Rim seems to bring out in adults. Halfway through the drive, guests find themselves at the Overlook. This is the only area within Fossil Rim where it's okay to exit vehicles and walk around. In addition to the Nature Store and Cafe, the Overlook is where the Children's Animal Center, or CAC, is located. This facility was rebuilt in 2010 to provide an area for city kids to get hands-on with domestic animals, view unique exotic species, and interact with animal care staff. In addition to the scenic drive, every year, over 20,000 students, scouts, and groups of all sizes come to Fossil Rim's Wolf Ridge Nature Camp to learn about species in peril and how they can make a difference in a very hands-on, outdoor environment of learning. From half-day programs to three-day camps, these kids are immersed in nature and learn the whys and hows of conservation. Fossil Rim's conservation focus is on the breeding and management of critically endangered species in order to support and sustain genetically viable populations as hedges against extinction, to increase public awareness, and for reintroduction programs. Additionally, Fossil Rim's research in species propagation is dramatically advancing the science of wildlife conservation. Many of the techniques and procedures developed here are replicated around the world. We currently house over 1,000 animals, more than 50 species, 16 of which are endangered or threatened. We've participated in reintroduction programs for addax, scimitar horned oryx, Mexican and red wolves, and our flagship conservation program, the Atwater's prairie chickens. We partner with private and government conservation organizations in our backyard and around the globe to save